Hello Aries, welcome to my channel. This is your weekly career, business and money reading from 23rd November to 29th November. Now being a general reading, not all messages might resonate, so keep whatever resonates. Now this reading is about what opportunities could present itself in this week, in your work, career, business or money situation, or what challenges or obstacles you could face, if any, so that you are able to handle it better. So let's start, Aries. I'll just pull out the tarot cards and then we'll end up with the guidance angel, guidance card. So let's see, hopefully some awesome stuff. So spirits and guides, universe and guides, general energies for Aries career, business, money situation. General energies of Aries career, business, money situation. Okay, so let's start here. Two of Wands. So good card. Taking the lead, trying to take an action. Five of Cups. Okay, there is this Tower. Page of Pentacle. Okay, the Emperor. Great. And one more card. The Judgment. So Aries, I can see here that you are waiting to take action. You are leaving your comfort zone. Maybe you are traveling or expanding your business. But this is a card of waiting to take action. It's a card of assessing situations, expansion, growth, and it's a positive card. You might be traveling, national, international, related to your business, related to your work, and it will get you success. This is the card. So basically leaving your comfort zone, taking action, and it's a card of the success is coming. That's what I can see here. But for some of you, you are still Aries into that energy. There are certain things which did not work for you here. This is what I feel. Something which still haunts you. Maybe you are feeling a little left out, in pain, in sorrow, due to maybe a situation will come, will come crumbling down, or there might be a fallout of something here. It could be about partnership, it could be about a business deal, it could be about a small project. It's not a big thing, I'll tell you, because it's just there will, or maybe you will face a little, this is like a past energies. That's what I get here, Aries, for you. In the past you must have some losses, or something did not work for you, so you are upset about certain situation here. But yeah, it is an energy of the past. It seems that there were certain decisions you could have made in the past which would have not this Tower movement would not have come, so you are regretting something here. That's what. Now this resonates differently to all of you here. So something did not work and you have a remorse or regret over a certain decision you made in your work. Maybe or you rejected something that made a fallout. So something will resonating to each and of you differently here in your career, business, money situation. It could be in relationships also. But with Page of Pentacles, you are starting something new. There is an opportunity, to learn and earn. For some of you here, some of you get a job as an intern where you are also learning and earning. And some of you will be learning or getting information, trying to gain knowledge so that you can expand your business, regarding your business, or how to enhance your skills, do better job. All that. Page of Pentacle, it's a card of learning. So maybe even in a small seminar would help, so attending a seminar, how to grow your business or how to make your work efficiently. So nowadays there are workshops, maybe it's online, or so some of you will be attending that, and some of you will also earn through that, if you register and all. So there are like internship jobs. That's what I feel here. But some of you will also get some resources here. There could be some profits coming into you. This is a lucky phase, I'll say you. Here some profits coming in suddenly. For some of you here, it could be resources or it could be monetary. So this is what I get. Now this is your card, Aries, Emperor card. So you are very kind. you are gentle with the person you work with your family, you are taking care of their needs, and your feelings is also reciprocated by your family, by your person. They are very supportive of you, they are very loving, and you too are, being you two are in control of your situation, whether it's personal or professional. You want to grow, you want to achieve success, and I see this happening because you are in complete control and you are at a satisfactory phase now. You are, although some of you having some regrets here with little bit that is in your past energy, but right now I see that no, you are in that emperor mode. You see things that you have created or you have earned, or you have, you have seen growth, so that is puts you into this emperor energy. So this is like you being successful, and that confidence, that charm is there of success. Also you are kind and compassionate, and you are very caring towards the person that you deal with. Now for some of you, I feel there is this judgment card. So something from an past could come back to you, a job offer could come back to you, a company that you worked with could come back to you. So this is like you making a decision. It could be energies of the past, forgiving something and moving forward, or taking a second chance. Also this card is of inner calling or a sudden awakening, true calling, kind of inner calling, inner awakening. This is a judgment card, a realization suddenly coming to you. In this case, it could be regarding a business, it could be regarding a job situation from your past. Maybe you will reconsider something, a project from the past. You could reconsider, or they could come back to you and you could, just go forward with it. You will make a decision regarding this. So this is what I get here, Aries. So basically expansion, forward movement, that's what I see here. It is a very satisfactory week. Page of Pentacle, definitely profits and money coming. It could be from any sources. It's a lucky phase in terms of money, I'm telling you. It could come from stock market, it could come through attending seminars, it could be coming from a work that you did, you were given monetary reward, that's what. Yeah, money coming from basically profits for the work that you have done. You are getting profits in business. Definitely business people are really going to get good profits here, and you will be happy with this situation during this time, Aries. That's what I get. Yeah, judgment card. Material success is there, definitely. There is material success, and relationships will be strong and you'll be feeling happy. That's what I get. Now let's check what's the angel messages for you here. Angel messages for Aries. Angel messages for Aries. So friendship. So this is your card here. So nurture your relationships. So maybe, yeah, I can see that you are in a happy space. So you are giving time to your relationship, to your family, and you are having a good time here. So this is it. If you do like my readings and it it resonates with you, so please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share, and thank you so much. Stay blessed.